Hi everyone, this is Sanjay. In this video, I will show you how to apply for TFN. Most of us know how to apply for TFN, but those who just came in Australia or in a student visa or in a working visa, to work in Australia, you need to have a TFN tax file number so that your tax goes to the ATO. So you just need to have on browser. You can use the Opera, Chrome or Microsoft Edge, whichever you have. Then just type ato.gov.au. Then the home page of Australian Taxation Office will open like this. You just need to go with individuals, how to apply for TFN. After that, if you are Australian citizens with an Australian passport, then just click here. But most of us who just recently came from another country to here have like foreign passport, so we just need to go foreign passport holders. And then there are some information, so you just need to go apply online for TFN using the IAR. So those who have permanent migrant visa, visa with working rights, or overseas student visa. Most of us are overseas student visa holders, so we can apply it. Just go to start. It's very easy. Just enter your details here, your name, your passport number here, the country where it belongs. Like, so have you ever visited to Australia? If you have visited to Australia before, then yes. Otherwise, no. Then your details, family name, given name, your date of birth, gender, and when you click next, then you will go to the tax file number and then again click next. Then it will ask you to add address. Just put your address, current address. You don't need to make a you can't make a mistake on address because they will send the TFN on your address, so be careful on it. And contact, add your contact phone number and email address. And after, in summary, you will get the reference number. If you want, you can keep the reference number so that if by any chance if you don't receive the TFN in future, you can just call them and give you a reference number and they will give you the TFN. Or you have to wait for 14 days to get your TFN. That's all. If you like the video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.